Is she a girl?
Yes, she is.
Does she like football?
Yes, she does.
The girl is black.
Yes, it has.
Is she tall?
More or less.
Is Estefania?
Yes, it is.
It's a boy.
Yes, he is.
Is he tall?
More or less.
Does he like play football and basketball?
Yes, he likes.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he's my friend.
Does he like pop music?
Yes, he likes pop music and rap.
Is a boy or girl?
He's a boy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Does he sings English or Spanish?
Spanish.
He's one famous pop star.
Yes.
Is Melendi?
Yes.
You are in the school.
Yes, I am.
What is your eyes color?
My eyes color is brown.
It's girl or boy?
Oh my god.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Is she Angel?
Yes, I am.
Is a girl or a boy?
He's a girl.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Where do you live?
I live in Roma.
The hair is long or short?
The hair is short.
What your favorite sport?
The favorite sport is football. It's a girl or a boy?
It's a girl.
Is she short or tall?
She is tall.
She has got a brown nose.
Yes, she has.
Does she like maths?
Yes, she does.
Does she like ice cream?
Yes, she does.
It's a person.
Yes, it is.
It's a girl.
Yes, it is.
She has got a brown nose.
Yes, she has.
She has got a blue hair.
No, she has.
She wants to be an engineer.
No, but she wants to be a doctor. Is she the girl?
Yes, she.
Does she like playing football?
Yes, she loves football.
What's your favorite sport?
She's favorite sport is tennis.
Is she Estefania?
Yes, she.